How to fix the disk is write protected. In this video I will show you two methods it will fix your problem. First open Start and type cmd. Right-click Command Prompt and click on Run as Administration. Now type the following command and press Enter. Select your USB pen drive disk. Now try again and your problem should be fixed.
If that didn't work,
Open Start and type Registry Editor. Right-click and click on Run as Administration. Expand H-key Local Machine. Expand System. Expand Current Control Set. Expand Control. Right-click Control and click on New. Click on Key. Press Enter. Right-click on it and click on New. Select the bitrate which your computer support. Now try again and your problem should be fixed. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.